update about our one of a product which we developed on of 2-3 things, because the particular module previously, this particular module is already developed before, where we can able to load all kind of market, equity market analysis, and what kind of changes happen day to day using online part. But we have developed stock market, because this module is already available, which give you the gainer, loser, or what are the watch list, indices, market watch, all these things are already available. So on top of this, we developed the Google agent, like the agentic framework which Odoo Google provide. We using that, we developed one stock intelligent dashboard, and this dashboard will load all the stocks, and you can easily generate forecast. You have a different sectors of category, and even you can load your own portfolio also. I will share you later which portfolio I'm talking about, but it's up to you to decide. Otherwise, we load almost all the available stocks, maximum 2508 available stocks for Indian market company we loaded, including indices over there. So if I give you one ETF stock, so these all are the ETF, gold Bs, liquid B, ITBs, these all are the ETF what is available. The material specific category of company like Asian Paint and this Godavari biorefinery. Now this is the complete dashboard, quick dashboard, but what it will give you, it will give you a direct integration, like with reference of target price, what will be the case, and obviously this particular price and the return, it is loaded from your portfolio, like whatever the portfolio it will load, based on that it will calculate and show you. And when you open this into form view, you will see that the stock will be linked with the Google specific model. You can add more number of Google specific model. I have used the 2.5 and 2.0 flash, but you can use 3.0 and even the latest model, whatever model you want to use, it will work. And it will go for the forecast results, where you will see it will give you the detail of company snapshot, what is the basic stock info, what are the technical indicators, which include the 50 days SMA, 20-day average, RSI, which is there. Then you have a beta and 52 weeks low, high, both are there. It will also include the average volume, what is the average volume, who are the corporate leadership, it will give you information of that also. And all these things you can rectify, even what kind of dividend it provided based on the EBITDA, PEG ratio, all these ratio will be mentioned, including the trading data. And then it will give you the business summary, the sentiment analysis, which is a technical analysis, valuation analysis, risk analysis, what will be the price target, and according to the pessimistic, whatever, it will give you the action plan. What will be the action plan? Finally, you will go for exit plan, holding period. It give you short term, 1 to 3 month, what is the entry strategy, and it will give you overall idea, and it will help anybody who can do this kind of stuff. With the detailing side, they need to refer a lot of websites, and they need to do these things. In one place you will get everything. It will give you a recommendation for purchase or sale or hold, and even you can add your own instruction, extra additional instruction as a prompt you can add. Then obviously you can generate forecast again, because obviously you have a charts is loaded for you with reference of different period of time. You have what are the news or sentiment, it is also loaded over here. You can check by yourself. So overall information, complete information what a particular equity share contain, you will get, and you can run this particular thing again. Like if I click this button, whole information or whole AI agent will run all these things again, and it will give you the revised thing if any changes happen with reference of live market. So it using a Google agent with the configuration. So you have like now it give me a Asian Paint with the obviously currently it give me sometime the logo of buy sell is gone, so we can do it again. So it will comes with buy sell, but overall it give me pessimistic plan board for the target price, and it will give me the horizon that what will be the confidence score, and I think rest of the thing remains same. There is nothing, no change at all. Another thing, so it's give me the buy option instead of sale, but you can evaluate each and every information. If any information looks hallucinate, you can review it. We have also added a prompt, like what kind of prompt we generated to get this details. So this prompt can be improved. So you can review the prompt, and anybody who have interested to contribute on this project, I will add my contact detail and email inside the video what I publish. So this project is completely available. I can share, I can discuss with them, there is no problem, but it's completely available, and even you can add your own platform also with respect of that. Another thing, so you can do with any company, like this Amritanjan is giving me the holding status. But if I choose a different model, let's say Gemini 2.5, and generate the forecast, it may possible the provider of Google with the more better model, it gives me more better results, compatibility with reference of all analysis. So it's just the matter of understanding and the confidence score. It give me the AI confidence score with reference of in terms of percentage. So you can also include your own analysis, your own mechanism to combine with this, and then take your decision based on your own thinking. Okay, but this tool will help you to take all this decision more comfortably in terms of AI agent part. And we can load, because it's for now, because I'm working over here in Indian stock market, so we used completely Indian stocks indices to be loaded and do it on top of it. But we can load any. Now with reference of Gemini 2.5, it give me a sale prediction instead of buy running now. So why? So for that there is a technical indicators, corporate leaderships, even the valuation, dividend, what will be the target price it will give me. All these things need to be analyzed, and why it will comes into sale prediction. Even it give me 85% of confidence. But we cannot blindly believe everything. So this thing need to be rectified, need to be checked with the graph, with the sentiment, news and everything. We added all the tools which is really required for this particular stock, and it gives me the overview of what is the opening price, what is the lowing price, previous price, what change happened for 52 weeks. And you can add more number of fields with the same part. Other than that, we have configurations of users, like each and every user can configure their own configuration of Zerodha. So we use the Zerodha MCP server, where you can easily connect the Zerodha and loads your all holdings and everything. And we have a separate LLM provider configuration also there, when you can connect, and everything is a separate. There is no any conflict between the users. So security wise, no one can see anybody. So Zerodha integration are there. Zerodha stocks will be loaded, so you can easily filter out your own Zerodha holding and fund. Everything are there. So it's available for you, and you can also contribute on that. So that's it. So I think if you needed access for this, let me know. Drop your message, drop your comment, email me with my detail, and I can update you based on that. Thank you.